Hey guys, if your Virgin Media router is flashing green but you have no internet connection, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the physical router, and we're going to come round to the back of the router. And over at the back, down at the bottom, you'll see this on switch. So what you need to do is just go ahead and turn this off. Once you've turned this off, we're then going to come over to the actual physical cables, and you're just going to remove any cables that are currently attached to the back of your router. So I'm just going to remove this one, and I'm also going to unscrew the power connection here. Now, once you've removed any cables that were inserted into your router, you just want to make sure all of the ports are free from any dust. You can just try blowing into each of these ports to make sure there's no debris or dust that's collected inside of there. And you're also going to make sure all of your cables are intact. And then we're going to reinsert the cables back into the router. And you can try switching on your Virgin Media hub. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing we need to do is perform a factory reset. So in order to do this, we first just need to remove any Ethernet cables that are running from our router. So all of these ports up here, these are for any Ethernet cables. As you can see, I don't have anything connected in here, so I can just leave this step. But if you do have an Ethernet cable inside of here, then go ahead and remove that now. Then we're going to come over to the bottom of the router, and right down in the bottom here, you'll see this button for reset. Now you'll need something like a paper clip or a pencil in order to get down and press this button. And what we're going to do is we're just going to insert our pen or object into this reset hole. And you're going to hold this button down for approximately 60 seconds. Now, you want to make sure you hold this button down for at least 60 seconds. And what this is going to do is it's going to perform a hard reset on the router. So it's going to restore everything back to its factory defaults. And it will mean you need to re-enter your Wi-Fi codes and things like that again. So just make sure you have them accessible, which are usually located on the bottom of the router down here. So once you've waited 60 seconds, we can then remove our paperclip or object from this reset button. And then you'll just need to go ahead and leave that a couple of minutes while it reboots itself. And hopefully by performing that hard reset, that should have now fixed any network issues you were experiencing. Now, if that still isn't working for you, another thing that I'd recommend doing is checking the server status for your router. So to do this, you can just head over to the official Virgin Media website. I'll leave a link to this in the video description, or you can just come over to a search engine like Google and just type in Virgin Media server status. And this is going to scan for any server outages in your postcode area. So all you need to do is enter your postcode and the surname that's on your account. And this will go ahead and try to scan for any issues in your local area. Now, the last thing we can do if that still hasn't fixed the issue is once again come over to an internet browser, and we're just going to type in the digits 192.168.0.1. Press enter on your keyboard, and then you just need to go through these steps and type in your router password. If you're not sure what your router password is, then we can just find this located on the bottom of the router. So don't get this confused with the Wi-Fi password. These are two different things. You can see I have my router password at the bottom down here. So we're just going to go ahead and insert that into our web browser. So finally, once you've logged in to your router admin page, we're just going to select the network diagnostic tool located here. And as you can see, this is just going to scan for any issues relating to your router, and it will automatically go ahead and repair any issues that are found inside of this window. And that's it, guys. That's how you fix your Virgin Media hub when you get no internet connection.